If you want to automate Calendly meeting reminders, this guide will show you exactly how to set it up in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to reduce no-shows, stay organized, or make sure every guest gets a timely reminder, Calendly workflows are one of the easiest ways to do it. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Workflows. This is where Calendly lets you automate actions like reminders, follow-ups, and notifications without doing everything manually. Next, click Create Workflow. Calendly will give you a few different options here. You can choose Use a template if you want to get started quickly, or create your own if you want a fully custom reminder setup. For most people, the template option is the fastest way to build a reminder workflow. If you choose the email reminder template, Calendly will already have a basic reminder structure ready for you. From here, select the event type you want the reminder to apply to. This is important because you may only want reminders for certain meetings, such as consultations, interviews, demos, or coaching sessions. After that, set when the reminder should be sent. A common choice is 24 hours before the event, but you can adjust this depending on your workflow and how much advance notice you want to give. You could send it a few hours before, one day before, or any timing that fits your audience best. Now, take a look at the email subject and the message. If needed, edit the subject line so it sounds clear and professional. Then customize the reminder message itself. You can add a friendly tone, meeting details, preparation instructions, or any extra information that helps the attendees show up ready and on time. Once everything looks good, click Save. Calendly will store your workflow settings and keep the reminder automation attached to the selected event type. But don't stop there. The final step is to make sure the workflow is active. This part matters because even if you build the workflow correctly, it won't send reminders unless it's turned on. So double check that your reminder is enabled and active before you leave the page. And that's it. You've now automated Calendly meeting reminders, which means your scheduling system can work for you in the background while helping reduce missed meetings and saving you time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.